Okay, welcome to another amazing lesson in building Desirol.com using Jekyll and forestry. We haven't done much forestry. We spent the last lesson doing a lot of basic HTML, CSS stuff for the header. We still need to finish that. I have the nav kind of working. Hopefully this video isn't solely HTML, CSS, but it very well might be because it's kind of time consuming doing this stuff, but let's keep going. So we need to get this thing to the right. We're going to continue using Flexbox. I think you can do justify content space between. We'll kind of put them to the left and to the right, and it does. That's great. What else do we got? We have kind of a more of a centered thing, so you can use align items. Center, and that will vertically center things in Flexbox. And does it? No. Doesn't. Maybe it is. You can't really tell. Let's do on the nav. Let's just do a font size. I like using REM, so we'll say 1.5 REM. For now, we might have to change the line height as well. Looks pretty good to me. I'm not going to get into it. Looks like the fonts are totally different. Do we install a Google font this episode or not? Probably not. I don't really want to get into that. What I do want to get into, though, is styling this button because it doesn't look very good without a button. So we need to add another class on this. So we say header nav. We'd say nav button. I don't know. We can even say button. I like shortening things. There's only going to be one button in the head. I'm going to sneeze right now. Okay. Maybe not. There we go. Okay. Background. I mean, I haven't. Let's see. Background. I have to get color from here. I have this color picker thing. Hopefully it works. I know Chrome has one too, so I don't really need to use the thing that I used to use. That plugin, I'm not even going to tell you about it. Background. So we're just using basic CSS now. No real need. Well, there's a little bit of a need for Sass. Oh God. Close. There's a little bit of a need for Sass, but we haven't really gone to installing it yet. So I haven't put this class on my button yet, so it's not going to work. Let's go to our HTML. In here, we can put class equals button. And let's go. Yep, there we go. And let's put a little bit of a padding. You can put the padding on all these LIs, really. Or the A tags. Probably since we're adding it to the A tags, this padding 0.5 REM. There we go. Border radius. Let's say 0.25 REM. I don't know. That's probably not the best thing to do, but let's see what that looks like compared to this. Yeah, that's pretty much. Let's say 0.5. Let's see, it's probably going to be too cartoonish with that. Yeah. Just take it back to 0.25. Looking okay. We need a white color. Color white. Still, is this not working? Not working for some reason. That's because up here I'm using a tag selector, which is overriding. This is a specificity wars. Hopefully I can include a link to the specificity wars in this video. Let me see here. Let me just make this video. Make this atom smaller. Yeah, so we have to fix that. What's the best way to do that? You could do this for now until we get Sass working. Actually, the best way to do it, I'll tell you the truth. The best way to do it. Let's make this, let's say, 0.5 and then 1 REM. Because the line height is really, for now, specificity wars. The best way to do this is to not use tag selectors, like I said in the last video. So for now, we can do this. Say link, and this could be link dash button. You even could say nav link, and that would be nav link button. But I'm just going to keep it simple for now. Let's take this. That's fine. That's fine. It's all good. And then you can get rid of these A, and then this can be dash link. header, I think it's link button. Just for now, you can just change the classes as you go. And that's just destroyed everything for some reason. Because I just called it link, not nav link. It's getting confusing myself already. And I'm still confusing myself. Because now we're starting to need Sass. I'm not very good at styling regular CSS, to tell you the truth. So it'd be nice if we had Sass so I can extend this. So what I can do here, just until I get the extends working, is something like this. Oh god. There we go. Alright. Don't even need Sass. So, I mean, we're pretty close here. I don't think we need to go too crazy. I know there's a font. There's a, we could say, font. What is it? Text transform. Transform. Lowercase. There we go. Looks pretty good. I mean, that's kind of very similar to what we're trying to do. Now we need to get, what should I get into? Should I get into getting this feature done, or should I get into just the Google font? I mean, I have like 10 minutes. I probably could do that. Feature. Let's get the Google font in. Let's just get the Google font in. Alright. How do we get the Google font? Now, I forgot even what font I'm using. I think we're using, I'm fairly certain we're using a Google font. Let's see here which font we're actually using. I'm sure my face is in the way. It's hard to get this thing into the video so you can see what I'm actually doing. So this things, elements, yeah, Merriweather. I should have seen that from the beginning. Okay, we're using Merriweather, and then I think we're using Merriweather Sans. This is Merriweather, and then there's another one. Oh, this is wrong. This is wrong. It's CSS, because the background should be serif, not sans serif. Alright, so we have Merriweather, Merriweather Sans. So let's go to, what do we don't need this anymore. Google font, Merriweather. Oh no. Come on, internet. Man, Google has just really been screwing me. No, it's my internet here, I think. My gosh. Let's definitely fast forward through this. This is crazy. You know what? Just forget the whole Google Fonts. There's plenty of videos on that. I'm just going to improvise here and just steal the script from industrial.com. Basically, you fill out the thing and then Google gives you a script. Here's the script. Basically, if you go here and your internet actually works, then Google will just basically give you a script that you want, a link tag. And where do you put that link tag when related to Jekyll? Put the link tag into defaults. And there you go. I'm going to put it at the bottom, even though it might cause a flash or something, but I've had some local development problems where, you know, where that's blocked. Actually, no, script tags don't block. So that's just not even going to help. So I'm not going to put it at the bottom, I'll keep it at the top. Hopefully it doesn't do any crazy blocking things if my internet's messed up, let's say. Yeah, it is. So, your internet, oh no, it's fine. Okay, cool. So, and it's, I don't even think it's loading. Could be. Oh no, it is. Now, once you have your script in, let's just, you should add this to the HTML tag to do global font setup. I have 5 minutes. let's just, we're in styles.css, we're not doing componentized files yet, so we should download normalize later. I like just forking normalize, probably get a lot of comments if in this video people are watching this video to not do it that way, but let's say, let me just copy let me copy the CSS here. Yeah, here it is. And then that's sans serif. That's going to be for the font. Okay, now should be good now. There we go. This looks a lot better now. Yeah, I think that looks good. We installed a Google font. Great. Too bad we couldn't go to the whole website and do it, but I think that's a pretty basic thing. I'm sure people want to know to do it. If you want me to make a video just doing that, I'm happy to do that. It's pretty simple. Looks like we need a light font. So if you notice in the Google fonts, it's using 100, 300, 500. That means we can use all those. So let's say font weight. We just do that on the whole site for now. Font. No, it's what is it? Weight. Yeah. 100. Oh no, this is what we want. Come on, work. It's just taking forever. There it goes. Nice, looks good. And then it looks like the other one is bold, the button. So font weight 300. Yeah. Come on, why don't you want to work? Is it 400? There we go. 300 wasn't it, it's 400. That's the one. It looks even a little bit bolder. No, it looks alright. Looks pretty similar. Looks like there's a little bit more padding here. We'll keep it like this. It's more condensed. I don't ever like doing things exactly the same. So I think that looks pretty good for now. I guess I can start getting this feature. I only have a few minutes. We need an image. I think these classes are just totally messed up. So is this. Let's see if I can just do something like this, if that works. Yeah. So I'm going to take this and drag it to my desktop. So if you can see. We're going to start working on this feature now. Banner backgrounds on my desktop now. So I call it banner. I don't really like the current name of the classes we're using on the site. I had one of the junior developers work on that, so that's why it's messed up, but what can you do? CSS, now we're starting to get a lot of components in here. I wonder what happens if I drag it in. Oh, you don't want to do that. I think in PHP Storm it like creates a background thing for you. Background image URL. Let's do something like that. I'm probably I don't know if that's images banner APG images. Notice that I'm going to drag banner into images. Notice how I'm going out a directory because it's going to be coming from the CSS file. It's going to go out and then it's going to go into images. Here, learn about relational paths. The path is relative. I only have a minute left, so hopefully that's not going to work. Oh, let's get it working. Width. You have to put a width and height on it. It's not going to work. We're going to have to. I only have 20 seconds left. That's what I'm measuring. Let's see. No, we need a quick. We need banner. We need banner. Where is it? Includes layouts default. Oh god, banner. Yeah. Work. No. And yes. So now we have it, and you can see there's a little bit of the image now. To finish this banner, that will be in the next video. So that was I just finished the header in this video. I'm going to be working on the banner in the next video. We're going to hopefully